In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Figma. Install fonts. First, a quick note on what Figma supports. Figma works with the two most common font formats, TTF and OTF. These are standard, reliable file types you'll find from trusted sources. And they cover the vast majority of fonts you'll want to use. Start by downloading your font from a trusted library, such as Google Fonts. You'll typically get a zip file. Open that zip to reveal the actual font files inside, usually with TTF or OTF at the end of the name. On a Mac, select the file and either open it in Font Book or right-click and choose Install to add it to your system. On Windows, right-click the font file and select Install. If you downloaded multiple styles like regular, bold, and italic, install each one so they're all available later in Figma. Give your operating system a moment to complete the installation. If you use Figma in a web browser, here is one extra requirement. So Figma can see your local fonts. Download and install the Figma font installer from Figma's website. This small helper runs on your computer and lets the browser version of Figma detect the fonts you've just installed. Next, restart Figma so it recognizes the new fonts. If you are in a browser, simply refresh the tab after installing the fonts, and if needed, after installing the Figma font installer. If you are using the desktop app, close and reopen it. This quick reset makes Figma rebuild its font list. Now let's use the font. In Figma, select any text layer on your canvas. Look to the right hand panel and open the font dropdown. Type to search or scroll to find the font family you just installed. Choose the style you want, like regular, medium, or bold, and your text updates instantly. If your font came with multiple weights or styles, they'll appear under the same family, so you can switch between them easily. That's it. Thanks for watching.